Nowadays, when a patient comes to us for implants, what they really expect is immediate results, but they also expect the ABCs: aesthetics, biostability, cleanability, durability, efficacy and function. To be able to deliver final teeth in 24 hours, you really need to have a team which has had the training and the experience with all facets of dentistry, surgery and restorative dentistry to be able to achieve the aesthetics and the quality that patients are wanting. Straumann BLX implant is the most ideal implant for immediate full arch rehabilitation because it has features in it which allow us to achieve high stability in various types of bone situations.